So as promised, I am putting the second video, and herein I will be discussing the next three letters. So let's start. Okay, so now what we are going to do is we are going to take letter C. How are we going to write letter C? C is so easy, right? So what is the steps? What are the steps for it? Very easy. First we go like this. This is number one. Then we are going in this way. Then we go like this. So this is number two, right? And then like this. So this is number three. Okay. So most of you must be having the question that it's looking like E and all, but in capital C, in the capital letter, it is like this. With the easy pen, I'll show it to you once again. It is like this, and like this. This is how a letter C looks like. Okay, so this is your first line which we go. Then we have the second line which we go, and then we have the third line. Okay, so I'll take you step by step the same way. So first you have these two lines. You just have to make a curve like this. That is your, or you can say first. Then you have like this. Change it here and move it down. So this is number two. And then you go like this. Keep it like this and like this. So this is 1, 2, and 3. So the final C, if you're going to make, it is somewhat like this. If we make it with the simpler and the easier way, it is like this, here, and so on. So whenever you have to write like this, you are more of going to write it like this. C-A-T, cat. Right. Okay. Now let's go to our next letter. And what is our next letter? Yes, that is none other than letter D. Okay, so let's go here, and I'm going to put it like this. Now see, you remember B, same way you have to do it like this, right? Then what is the next step which you will do? You will be putting it like this, that is like this, and the third one will be like this. So this is how a letter D is written. So see, this is 1, the turning point is 2, and then we have 3. Okay, so for you, I'll show it to you again. This is it. This is how we go up and like this, right? So what are these steps? First we'll go in this way. This is 1. Then we'll go to this way. This is 2. And the final one is this is 3. Okay, let's go step by step. How are you going to do this? See, from here to here, right? So we will say this is point 1 and this is point 2. A and B, right? Okay. Then when you have, see, 1 and 2, what is the next step? You're going to turn it up like this and like this, right? So this is the next step. Then you have, say, 1, 2, this is your, say, suppose this point is 3. Then what is the next step which you will do? You will go up, take it up, take it up, take it up, and bring it down, right? So easy. Alright, so I'll show you the final D which we are going to make it over here. It is somewhat like this. If you have to write, say, dog, how are you going to write? This is like this. D-O-G, dog. or you can say it is like DEAR, dear, right? Okay, so now is the chance for what? This is the chance for letter E this time. Okay, so here we go, and let's start with letter E. See, you have to be very careful while doing this one. Okay, same thing. First we'll take it like this, then we will take it like this, then we will take it like this, and then you will take it like this. Oh, looks difficult? Okay, I'll take you step by step. See, this is your first one, right? This is one. Then you go down. This is two. Then you again go like this. So this is three. Okay, let's go with the simpler one. How are we going to do this? See, this is we go like this. Okay, how are we going to go there? We go like this, then turn like this, and so on. Okay, now see how does it go? This is your one, this is your two, and then this is your three. Okay, now we'll go step by step. How are we going to do this one? See, first you will take it like this, 1 to 2. It will go like this, right? Okay, this is your point number 1. Okay, the next one, once you have put in like this 1 and 2, right? What is the next step which you will be doing? You will be turning it up here. You'll be turning it up and bring it down like this. Okay, so this is your point number 3. Now when you've gone this way, you have come this way. Now you have to turn it here and take it down like this. So it is 1. Okay, I'll put it with red color. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Okay, so the final E for you, I'll show it to you again. How is it going to go? Like this and like this. Okay, suppose if I have to write, say, egg. So how am I going to write? I will take it like this, and I'm going to put like this. That is egg. Okay, now what do you have to do next? You just have to stay tuned. Yes, for what? For the next video. And yes, there's a small request to all of you that please like, subscribe, and share my channel. Thank you.